Pumpkin, welcome to Queensland.
Before doing any work, we say Bismillah. Before doing any work, we say Bismillah. So let's learn Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before eating, we say Bismillah. Before drinking, we say Bismillah. Before writing, we say Bismillah. Before studying, we say Bismillah. Let's learn Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before giving anything, we say Bismillah. Before taking anything, we say Bismillah. Before keeping anything, we say Bismillah. Before placing anything, we say Bismillah. So let's learn Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before doing any work, we say Bismillah. Before begin any work, we say Bismillah. So God pour His blessing upon us. So my dear friends, say Bismillah before doing any work, anything, so that God pour His blessing and shower up peace upon us. So let's learn, let's see Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 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 In the name of Allah, who is most merciful, most beneficent. So start with the name of His, so that blessing will be yours.
हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ टॉमी। जो अपने घर का हो तो टॉमी, दूसरे के घर का हो तो कुत्ता। मुझे आप अपना प्लीज दोस्त बना लें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलें। बाय बाय प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं फिर आऊंगा मजीद मजेदार और मॉरल स्टोरीज को लेके। शुक्रिया, बाय बाय।